Hello, welcome to your lesson number 2 on matter. So let's get to it. So mechanical mixtures are mixtures that are clearly heterogeneous or heterogeneous, whichever way you prefer to pronounce it. They are called mechanical mixtures. You can see the different types of matter in mechanical mixtures. Many foods such as sandwiches, salads, salsa, and stir-fried vegetables are mechanical mixtures. So basically anything that you can see different ingredients and looks like a mixture is a very obvious example of a mechanical mixture. In the picture over here, you can see it that there's a pizza with lots of different toppings, and this is an easy mixture to see. Suspensions. A heterogeneous mixture is in which the particles settle slowly after mixing is called a suspension. An example of a suspension is oil and vinegar salad dressing. Before shaking the dressing, you can see the oil and vinegar parts of the mixture. Often the dressing contains herbs and spices as well. When you shake the mixture, the herbs, spices, and vinegar become suspended in the oil. They soon separate. However, when you put down the bottle, how long can you make the bits of matter in a suspension remain suspended longer? So it says you will find out in the next activity because we are not in school. Unfortunately, we can't do this together, but basically the activity on the science book is you have vinegar and oil, and in the activity you add dish soap, and that will make it remain suspended longer. So let's go on to emulsions. In the last activity, you added dishwashing liquid to a suspension of oil and vinegar. So this is the activity that we don't get to do, but you can try this at home if you'd like. You probably observed that the dishwashing liquid enabled the suspended particles to stay suspended longer. So you can use a timer if you want to try this activity at home. As you learned, the dishwashing liquid acted as an emulsifying agent. An emulsifying agent allows the parts of a suspension to remain distributed throughout the mixture for a longer period of time. A suspension that has been treated with an emulsifying agent is called an emulsion. Mayonnaise is an example of an emulsion. Paint is another example. An emulsion may appear to be a homogeneous mixture, but it is not. You can see the different parts of an emulsion under the microscope. Both emulsions and suspensions are heterogeneous mixtures. Solutions. Homogeneous mixtures are called solutions. You made a solution in this activity, but we didn't get to, so we're just going to talk about examples of solutions. So some of these examples include apple juice, vinegar, and tap water are all solutions. And so is this window cleaner in this image. A solution is what is made when two or more substances combine to form a mixture that looks the same throughout, even under a microscope. So as you can see in this image, the liquid looks to be the same at the top, in the middle, and at the bottom. So solutions are everywhere. Seawater is a solution of salts and water. Air is a solution of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other gases. There are even solutions of solids, such as objects shown. So solutions that are made from two or more metals are known as alloys. So what is an alloy? Why make an alloy? You can change the properties of a metal by adding small amounts of other substances. For instance, jewelry made out of pure gold would become scratched very easily because gold is so soft. Adding silver or copper to gold makes a gold alloy that is harder than pure gold. As an added benefit, silver and copper are much cheaper than gold.